Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In the previous videos, we have seen what are the advantages of Kotlin and the Helloworld programming in Kotlin and how to declare variables and different data types of numbers in Kotlin. And in this video, we will just declare the variables of Boolean values and how to declare a string variables. So as you can see, here we have declared integer, decimals, float, long, byte, and we have printed those values using println. Let's declare a Boolean data type now. So the syntax is same, whether we can use val or var, and variable name Boolean, and declare data type as Boolean. And what are the values available for Boolean? True or false? Let's declare true. And here we are seeing an error. Let's see what is it. Conflicting declarations val b. Okay, here variable name is already there. Let's rename it to b1 and let's print this value. Print ln bool value, and we can use dollar symbol to print the variable value. And if you see the output, we need to get a true here. Let's execute this program and see the result. So as you can see, bool value true. Let's declare false as well. Boolean equal to false. And the same way we will print the variable, and we need to get true first, then false. And the main advantage in Kotlin is we don't need to declare data type explicitly. Based on the value, the Kotlin knows which data type is variable is. So we can happily remove this data type because we have a value. So now also we need to get the same result, true, false. Now we have seen declaring Boolean variables. We will see how to declare a string variables. So there is no difference much between declaration. We can use val or var, and variable name string1, and the data type is string in Kotlin, and initializing with double quotes. Put double quotes and write any string value. String value 1. Let's declare another variable string2. Let's name my channel Skill Set Go. Let's print these values now. str1 value, we can use dollar symbol with variable name. Let's print string2 as well. If we execute, we need to get the string values. So here we see string1 value is string value, string2 value is skill set go. So this is how we will declare a string variables. Here the Boolean variables. Here again we no need to specify the data type of a variable. Based on this value, Kotlin knows this is a string data type. We can remove here and here as well. Now if we print, we need to get the same result. So string1 value, and string2 value is skill set go. And now we will see how to declare an array in Kotlin. Array can maintain different data types. So let's declare an array variable in the same way, val array1. So there are so many data types for arrays available, like int array, Boolean array. So here we need to specify the data type of a variable. So just int array. Here you can see there is int array. So now we have declared an array1. Let's initialize it to some array of numbers. So as it is int array, there is a direct function int array of, and we can specify different numbers in this function, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will be converted into int array and assigned it to array1, and we can access these values by index 0 1 2 3 4 5. So let's print the values and see. Array values. Let's print first index. So we can access like this 0. So we can specify a curly braces, and now let's run and see. We need to get a value 1 here. So as you can see, we have got the value 1, and let's print other index 0 1 2 3 4. Let's print fourth index. We need to get the value 5. So we got the value 5. So this is how we will declare an int array variable, and this is how we can initialize an int array with the specific numbers. So like int array, we have different type of arrays. Let's declare one more type, array 2. So it is int array. Let's see whether string array is available. So there is string array as well. String array, as it is belong to com some XML package. Int array belongs to Kotlin. So there is string array. So string array is not present in Kotlin. Let's check Boolean array. Boolean array. As you can see, we have a Boolean array, and let's try to initialize in the same manner. Boolean array of. So what values can we pass? True, false, false, true. And in the same way we have accessed through the index, we can access here. Boolean values. Let's print first index. So we have got true, which is true in first index. And let's print other indexes as well. Index 1, index 2, index 3. For printing array, we can use for loop, but for now I am just showing how to access the Boolean array values and int array values. And you can check in Kotlin there are other type of array data types. These are the sample 2 data types, and we can initialize like this: int array of, Boolean array of, like this. Let's try to print this. Run as Kotlin application. You can see true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true. So this is how we will declare an array variables and initialize array variables, and string variables declaration and initialization, and Boolean variables declaration and initialization. And in the future videos we will see what are the collections and how is it different from Java. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.